To fix the Siemens washing machine error code F43, it's essential to understand what this code signifies. The F43 error code indicates a motor problem, with the primary cause being worn-out carbon brushes in the motor. To resolve this issue, the first step is to inspect the carbon brushes. This involves unplugging the washer and removing the covering panel to access the motor. Located at the bottom of the washing machine, the carbon brushes are situated behind the motor, so it's necessary to remove the motor to access them. Once accessed, inspect the carbon brushes for any damage, and if they are worn out, replace them with new ones. After replacing the carbon brushes, the machine needs to be reset to clear the error code. This is done by switching off the selector switch, turning it to the 6 o'clock position, or the spin position, then pressing and holding down the speed selector switch button while turning the selector switch to the 7 o'clock position, or the drain position. Finally, release the spin button and turn off the selector switch. If the machine still doesn't work, it's recommended to contact a professional for further guidance.